Known for its amusement parks, orange crops, the Kennedy Space Center, and the perfect destination for retirees, Florida certainly attracts millions of visitors every year. However, there are plenty of places to visit in Florida for all types of travelers. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share where to visit in Florida. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So the first place you need to visit in Florida is Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale offers 7 miles of beaches to enjoy, and just a short drive away is the popular Hollywood Beach with nearby outdoor cafes, shops, and a farmer's market. Or head to the Hugh Birch State Park for a quieter experience. There are also plenty of awesome resorts here, which include kids clubs as well, meaning that you can relax whilst your kids are entertained. There is also a system of canals too, so you can jump on a water taxi for a hop-on, hop-off sightseeing day. The next place we recommend you visit in Florida is Orlando. Of course, we couldn't talk about the best Florida getaways without mentioning Orlando. With so many different theme parks that suit all ages, kids love a vacation here. If you want a good mixture of theme park fun and relaxing, opt for a villa with its own pool so that you can unwind on your days out of the theme parks. The next destination we recommend you head to whilst you're in Florida is, of course, Miami. Known for its laid-back vibes, trendy street art neighborhood, family-friendly beaches, and the beautiful Miami Beach as well, there are lots of amazing places to explore. As a major city in Florida, there are plenty of hotels and resorts to choose from, as well as a great nightlife scene for those visiting Florida with friends. The next place we recommend you head to is Florida Keys. So if you enjoy snorkeling, then make sure to visit Florida Keys. Home to the only living coral barrier reef in the USA, make sure to head to the state park and enjoy the waters. There are several centres that you can visit if you're looking to swim with dolphins, or if you are looking for a quirky night stay, you could try camping on the beach. The next place to visit in Florida is Tampa. So when you aren't enjoying the thrills of Busch Gardens or Adventure Island, you and your family can take part in one of the many water activities available in Tampa. Whether it's dolphin spotting, play water zones, or water biking, there is something here for everyone. And lastly, one of our favourite places to visit in Florida is Jacksonville. Ideal for those looking for a budget-friendly Florida getaway, Jacksonville offers awesome beaches, surfing opportunities, delicious food, and airboat tours. So wherever you decide to go, we hope you have an amazing time in Florida. Let us know where you are heading to in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Take care, guys, stay safe, and until next time, stay creative.